Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make these tissue paper flowers. Now it's really easy to make, and I bought some tissue paper from John Lewis, which is an absolute favourite of mine. I also created a little boat in my last video, so if you want to check that out, that will be there because it had beautiful sails in the same paper. So if you want to know how I made these, keep watching and I'll show you how to make them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video and given you a little bit of inspiration so you can have a go yourself. Now you can make these for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day or just someone special in your life. So if you really enjoyed the video, give it a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on my next creation.